every day we do something nobody else has done before. Maybe it's make a new compound. Maybe it's a new bit of pharmacology that's never been seen. And you never really lose that interest. You never really lose that excitement about that first time thing. I do a lot of work with the Vanderbilt Institute of Chemical Biology, and so I wind up seeing early phases of a lot of different projects from a lot of investigators, and kind of knowing what the possible pathways to commercialization are. That helps us steer that work into a potential successful opportunity for them later on. Probably the most prominent example was a consortium-based project. We put an LDH inhibitor into a license agreement with biotech. The Vanderbilt CTTC team took on a really difficult challenge of managing that license agreement across a number of institutions, but ultimately that company was able to get a compound on clinical trials related to the intellectual property that we developed. Some investigators may think their work is really not that useful for commercialization, but it's hard to predict what might resonate externally. So open those emails, ask some questions, look aggressively. You might have something that fits.